Hey guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Jack's Mechanics. I've just got a 2013 WK Jeep Grand Cherokee here, and we're just going to do the fuel filter. It's a pretty serviceable item, so I thought I would do a quick video on it and help you guys out at home. So you might see this similar setup in like Holden Colorados and stuff like that as well, and essentially the same thing. So you just want to drain the fuel. You don't have to drain it out of there, but if you just take this 27mm, you can just screw it out, but you're going to get diesel all over your hands. So drain that out if you want, not necessary. And then essentially you just want to screw both of those filters out. You generally want to use Ryco for these. The cheaper brands, sometimes we've had issues with the seals and stuff like that. So once that stops draining, we'll literally just screw these filters out and then screw our new ones in, put a bit of CRC on the seal, and then we'll get it restarted. I'll show you how to do that, but you obviously, with a diesel, need to have a sealed up fuel system, well, any engine, internal combustion, but we'll show you how to essentially bleed it out, which is a pretty simple process of just turning the key on, and the in-tank pump will pump that through, bleed the air out of it. So just crack those out and pull them out, and that's what our filter looks like. Same with this one. Have a seal inside there and an O-ring there to seal it. It's nice and clean in there. So we'll get our new filters, and I'll show you how to pop those back in. So here's the number for the fuel filter, 2745P, and we've got our two new fuel filters. So I've just put some CRC on the top of them and some CRC on the seals. So literally just pop those in. They really don't need to be tight. I'm pretty sure it's 10 Newton meters. You want to, sorry, 20 Newton meters. But I've only ever done them up by hand. Obviously 20 Newton meters is not very tight. So push it onto the seal and twist it on. Then get your ratchet and do it up. A bit hard to do left-handed. Yeah. So just nip those up, both of them, and then screw your plug back in. Then we'll bring the car down and we'll get it primed up. So now we've got the car back down. Usually what we'll do, we'll just put the key on, push the start button twice. We'll see if we can hear the in-tank pump. You can hear that pumping away. Alright. Let's turn that. And then we'll just do it again, off and back on. It usually takes about 30 seconds. Just doing a service to this, so we'll reset that service light as well. One more time. Jeez. Try and start it. And then we'll just turn it off. And that's that. So that's how you do it, guys. Fuel filter change on a WK Jeep Grand Cherokee. This one's a 3-litre V6 turbo diesel. Thanks for following, guys. Take care. We'll catch you in the next one.